Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us see the solving problems in inverse trigonometric functions. We know the formulas tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, and also tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Now let us see the problems. Solve tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Now let us take the given full equation. Here see the left hand side. For this we can use the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So that we can apply like this. This first angle, that is this first bracket, and this is second bracket. So using the formula tan inverse of first bracket plus second bracket whole divided by 1 minus first bracket into second bracket equal to right hand side pi by 4. So remember this formula, first bracket, this is second bracket. So using the formula we get tan inverse of first bracket plus second bracket divided by 1 minus first bracket into second bracket. Now this tan inverse take right side, we get tan pi by 4. Left side take LCM x minus 2 into x plus 2 and also cross multiply. So when we cross multiply we get x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. This side cross multiply we get x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. Similarly denominator also take LCM x minus 2 into x plus 2. So cross multiply this, x minus 2 into x plus 2 is x square minus 4, and this x minus 1 into x plus 1 is x square minus 1, outside minus sign, so minus x square plus 1. We can cancel the denominator, and so we get numerators only, that is x square plus x square 2x square. 2x minus 2x cancelled, minus x plus x cancelled. This is minus 2 minus 2, we get minus 4. And denominator also this x square minus x squared cancelled. So we get minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Equal to right hand side tan pi by 4 is 1. Cross multiply we get 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. This minus 4 take right side plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So this implies x squared equal to 1 by 2. So that means x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So here solve means we have to find the values of x. Next problem, solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to pi by 4 if 6x square less than 1. Let us take the full equation, that is tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to pi by 4. Left side we use the formula tan inverse of first plus second divided by 1 minus first into second, that is 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x equal to right hand side pi by 4. Next step, this is tan inverse of 2x plus 3x 5x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x 6x square equal to pi by 4. Next step, this tan inverse take right side, we get tan pi by 4. And we know that tan pi by 4 is 1. Next step, cross multiply this. So this is 5x equal to 1 minus 6x square. Now arrange everything left side. We get 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We have to find the factors of this. Here the product is minus 6 and the sum is 5. So the two numbers are minus 1, 6. Divide by the first number 6. And so we get minus 1 by 6 and 1. So this can be taken as 6x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. From this first bracket, the value of x is equal to 1 by 6. From this second bracket, x is equal to minus 1. So we get x is equal to 1 by 6 comma minus 1. But there is a condition given, 6x squared should be less than 1. So here we cannot take this value because it doesn't satisfy 6x squared less than 1. So if you put x is equal to minus 1 here, minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 6, 6, 6 less than 1 is not correct. So we cannot take this minus 1 answer. We have to take the answer 1 by 6 only. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 6 is the only solution of the given equation. Next problem, solve tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x for x greater than 0. So let us take the given tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. This using the formula we can split and write like this, tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. So usually from this if you use the formula we can get the previous step. So tan inverse of first 1, second x. So first minus second divided by 1 plus first into second, 1 into x, x. So when we split and write this using the formula, remember take the first 1, next term take the second x and see the sign minus sign, so put the minus sign. Right hand side same, half into tan inverse of x. And we know that tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 because tan 45 degree is 1. So pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. This right side take left side minus half tan inverse x equal to 0. Now adding these two, both same term tan inverse x, tan inverse x. So this is minus 1, this is minus 1 by 2. So adding this we get minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 tan inverse x equal to this pi by 4 take right side minus pi by 4. Now both sides we can cancel minus sign. So tan inverse x equal to this number cross multiply right side. This 2 and 4 cancel 2 times. This 3 cross multiply 3 into 2 denominator 6. So we get pi by 6. Now this tan inverse take right side tan pi by 6. So x is equal to tan pi by 6. That is tan 30 degree. That is equal to 1 by root 3. Here the condition is x greater than 0. And definitely 1 by root 3 is greater than 0. It is positive. So we can take the answer x is equal to 1 by root 3. Thanks for watching.